Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in a no-holds-barred showdown to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a robotic rumble between two heavyweight contenders in the robot vacuum world: the iRobot Roomba 692, affectionately known as Roomba, and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, aka Shark. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be good. Let's start with the price. Roomba is the budget-friendly option here, costing less than a weekend getaway at $269. Shark, on the other hand, is priced like it's the CEO of robot vacuums at $599. If your wallet could talk, it'd probably say, "Why not go with Roomba?" When it comes to suction power, Shark claims to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types with the intensity of a toddler on a sugar rush. Roomba, while effective, is more like a well-behaved child doing their chores. Reviewers say Shark is excellent at deep cleaning, whereas Roomba gets the job done but doesn't go above and beyond. So if you have a dirt problem that resembles a natural disaster, Shark might be your guy. Roomba uses a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes and an edge sweeping brush. It's like a well-choreographed dance routine. Shark, however, goes full-on matrix with its precision grid cleaning, taking multiple passes over dirt like it's neo-dodging bullets. Reviewers praise Shark for its meticulous cleaning, while Roomba is appreciated for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you want every speck of dust hunted down with military precision, Shark's got your back. Now, here's where Shark really shows off. It empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. That's 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. Roomba, on the other hand, is more like your needy friend who constantly needs attention. It runs for 90 minutes and then docks itself to recharge, but you'll still have to empty it manually. Reviewers love the convenience of Shark's self-emptying system, while Roomba requires more hands-on maintenance. Shark's like, "I've got this," while Roomba's like, "Can you help me out, bro?" Roomba uses adaptive navigation with advanced sensors to avoid obstacles and not fall down stairs. It's like a cautious driver on a Sunday afternoon. Shark, equipped with 360 degrees LiDAR vision, maps your home with the precision of a GPS. It detects and avoids objects like a ninja in the night. Reviewers appreciate Roomba's reliability, but rave about Shark's advanced mapping capabilities. If you want a vacuum that could probably double as a self-driving car, Shark's your winner. Pet owners, listen up. Shark's self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap, making it perfect for homes with pets. Roomba does a decent job, but Shark is like the ultimate pet hair terminator. Reviewers note that Shark is particularly effective for pet hair, while Roomba requires more frequent maintenance. Hasta la vista, furballs! Reviewers find the Roomba 692 to be a convenient and effective tool for maintaining clean floors, though it requires regular maintenance and supervision. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra is praised for its advanced features, including excellent mapping and a self-emptying dustbin, though some users note it can struggle with carpets and requires some setup adjustments. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget, Roomba is a solid choice at $269. It's smart, efficient, and won't break the bank. But if you're looking for the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums and don't mind splurging, Shark is the way to go with its incredible suction power, self-emptying system, and advanced navigation. It's the vacuum that practically does everything but make you breakfast. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.